See? Wow. It's so cool.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, this is me.
Wow.
We have a Japanese subscriber.
Philippines, salamat po. Salamat po.
Salamat.
Dave Gino?
Oh, yeah, you pronounce it right.
Yeah, Dave Gino.
Oh. Ayan yung Yasaka Pagoda. Napakaganda niyan sa gabi. Just a normal day in Kyoto. Kapag ako nagsasearch ako ng accommodation, una kong filter ay yung location. Dapat nasa magandang location. Ito yung area around. May mga tourists na dito na nakakimono. Maluwag. Tapos look, yung saksakan. Ang nice, right? Hello guys, konnichiwa. Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave the Kuripa Traveler at nandito tayo ngayon sa Kyoto, Japan. So overnight lang tayo dito and for today's video, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung accommodation natin. So this is a capsule type of hotel. Ano siya? Parang dorm type. May mga bunk bed. Pero ang ganda ng bunk bed. Alam niyo naman kung napanood yung previous vlog ko, capsule hotel din. Yung tinuluyan natin sa Tokyo, sa may Shin-Okubu. So this one, it's in a very nice location. Sobrang lapit lang nito sa Yasaka Pagoda, the most famous pagoda in Japan. Alam nyo yun, yung pinuntan natin kagabi. Medyo i-flash ko na lang sa screen yung Yasaka Pagoda. Dito daw talaga yung ideal na angle ng Yasaka Pagoda here in Kyoto. Napakaganda. Very accessible siya to the tourist spots. May malapit na shrine, malapit siya sa major street ng Kyoto, may park, may mga convenience store around, kainan around. So this is called Tsukimi Hotel. So this is worth 3,043 per night. So actually sa lahat ng pinagstayan natin, ito yung pinakamahal. Napansin ko sa Kyoto, mahal yung mga accommodation. Tapos, mamaya itutur ko kayo . Itong hotel na to ay located sa Higashiyama Ward. So, this is one of the best preserved historic areas in Kyoto. As in, napakaganda maglakad. Ang lapit lang nito sa Gion. So, yung Gion, yun naman yung Geisha District ng Kyoto. Na napakaganda din talaga sa gabi. Sobrang wow. Step by the step. Charing. Pero ayun, nabook natin to sa Klook. So, if kayo guys ay travel in the Philippines, in Japan, or anywhere else in the world, you can book your activities, hotels on Klook and just may promo code DaveKinoKlook para maka-discount kayo. Tingnan nyo rin sa Agoda. Kayo na bahala tumingin kasi baka mas mura sa Agoda. Minsan kasi nag-iba-iba. So, kung magbubook naman kayo ng hotel sa Agoda, you can use my code DaveAgoda para maka-discount kayo. So, I love this hotel. So, ito yung itsura niya. Dito sa may common area. Diba? Kagabi nandito lang tayo nakatambay. And of course, may wifi. Tapos, meron dong mga locker for shoes. Tapos, ito yung reception area. Tapos, daming tourist. Pagdating ko kahapon. Tapos, of course, it's Japan. We should remove our shoes. Tapos, pinagchichinelas tayo dito. Yan. Ito yung entrance. So, pag alas 12, nagsasara yung entrance, guys. I mean, nagsasara yan, yung entrance na yan. Tapos, sa back door, dapat pumasok pagpatak ng alas 12. Ginul ko talaga sa may Gion area kasi alam kong gagabihin ako para at least walking distance na lang. Nakauwi na tayo kahapon o kagabi ng mga 11 p.m. Tapos, ito, may common area pa dito na napakaganda. May projector. Papalabas sila dyan minsan ng shows. Tapos ito, the kitchen. Meron ditong free coffee. Tapos may toaster. Tapos kanya-kanyang hugas ng baso. Tapos ito naman water. Diyan tayo kumukuha ng water. Segregated. Ang basura dapat. Ayan. Second floor tayo. Pero gusto nyo makita yung rooftop? Pakita ko muna yung rooftop, guys. Or wait, kwarto pala muna. Kasi alas 10 lilinisin nila yung toilet. Tara. Ito, syempre merong access card. And ito Ito yung mga locker. Ayan. Diyan natin nilagay yung backpack natin. Okay. Tapos you can set your password. Tapos ito na yung kwarto. Ito may towel, may toiletries. Ayan, comforter, pillow. Ito yung ating room. Ito yung ating bed. Okay naman siya, 'di ba? May saksakan. Tapos may, ayan, may pailaw. Ayan. Hindi ko sure kung ano yan. Pero, ayan. Pero, ang nice, right? Mas gusto ko to kaysa sa Rembrandt, yung pinagstayan natin sa Tokyo. Mas maluwag. Tapos, look, yung saksakan. Parang dalawang pwede. Okay pala yung katabi kong bed, char. Bulong-bulong lang talaga tayo dito. Tapos may safe. Safe pang tawag dyan. Ayan. Iuwi na natin tong razor, toothbrush. Tapos ito pang tenga to, diba? Sa likod, dito nilalagay yung mga maleta. Okay? Tapos dyan din sila nagsasampay. And this is the shower area, guys. Silipin natin yung rooftop. Ayan. Pero nagpunta na tayo dyan kagabi. Lounge. Here na us. So, ito yung rooftop. Kung gusto nila mag-chill. Pero chill naman talaga. Ayan yung Yasaka Pagoda. Napakaganda niyan sa gabi. As in, dyan tayo napunta kagabi. Kasi nagtagal tayo dyan. Wow, this is Kyoto. Pwede maglaba dito, insert coins. Picturean ko lang yung pagoda. Hi. From our rooftop. Ito siya. Can I still stay here?
For sure.
Ah, thank you. Yeah.
This is on pocket.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I want to eat. I want to eat.
Why? Do you also
Yeah.
take
I'd like
videos?
I'll start a vlog or something.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's very expensive, right?
Yeah. A bit.
YouTube YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Just tell me yours.
You'll appear on my vlog. What's your name?
My name is Hikaru. Hikaru.
Shikaru.
Yeah.
Shikaru.
Hikaru.
Okay.
Okay.
It's. I thought you have a YouTube channel. Oh yeah, this is me.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah.
I'll check it.
Thank you. We have a Japanese subscriber.
Travel vlog or something? Traveling or something?
Travel vlogs. So.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Konnichiwa, Philippines.
Philippines. Salamat po.
Oh,
Salamat po.
salamat.
His YouTube channel.
Hey, I will put it. Dave Gino.
Oh yeah, you pronounce it right.
Yeah, Dave Gino.
Oh.
I will look
Thank
for
you.
it.
Thank you.
And for people from Philippines, he's safe in Japan. And he's enjoying.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning from Japan.
Yes. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato gozaimasu.
He's half Japanese now. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. Japanese are so friendly. Okay. It can follow your face. Look. It can start and follow your face. It can track your face. You can move. It will follow you. Oh, see?
Wow.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
This is the best thing that I bought last year. No regrets. Even if it's a bit expensive.
Yeah, different quality.
It's an investment. Yes.
I know that it's very expensive.
Yeah. May luggage storage pala sila. Kasi nag-check out na tayo pero gagala pa tayo eh. So ito, ang friendly ng mga Japanese, no? Ang cute pa ni... kalimutan yung pangalan niya pero finalo ko siya sa IG. Ang friendly ng mga staff dito as in, laging nakangiti. I love. Kapag pala ako nagsasearch ako ng accommodation, ito pala yun, no? Tsukimi. Kapag ako nagsasearch ako ng accommodation, una kong filter ay yung location. Una ko kinoconsider yung location. Dapat nasa magandang location, accessible sa tourist spots. For example, like this, especially kasi one night lang naman tayo dito. Then of course, the price, the reviews, malinis ba? So far, perfect naman. Hindi lang so far, perfect yung naging stay natin dito sa Tsukimi Hotel. And look, ito yung area around. As in, may mga tourists na dito na nakakimono. Ganon. Diba? Tapos ayun na, yung Yasaka Pagoda. Just a normal day in Kyoto. Yung accommodation natin, cafe din pala siya. Okay? Mamaya, pa-Osaka naman tayo. So definitely, we had a very good stay here in Tsukimi Hotel. Tapos, since wala tayong budget, kasi mahal kapag solo room, wala tayong budget sa entire trip natin for a solo room, nag-sharing tayo itong mga capsule hotel. Kung wala kayong arte like me, then go nyo na. Ito. Di naman siya delikado or what. Nasa Japan naman tayo. Charing. And everyone is friendly sa room. Laging umingit. May pogi nga eh. Charing. So this is Dave guys, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives.